Good morning. This is the 11th lecture in spheres. So in the sphere, last class we know that what is the coaxial system of the sphere. Coaxial system means if we take two spheres, S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is equal to 0. From that two spheres, S1 minus S2 is equal to 0 is the plane equation, and another equation. Actually, the form of the coaxial system is S plus lambda u is equal to 0, where u is the radical plane of two spheres. Radical plane means if suppose two spheres are in general form, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 is equal to 0, and another one is x square plus y square plus z square plus u 2x 2 plus 2v2y is 2w2z plus d2 is equal to 0, like that. Then we say that the s1 minus s2 is equal to 0 is the coaxial system of the plane. Plane is the radical plane, and we find the if common plane for any two or three spheres, common radical plane, that is called coaxial system. So finally we got the coaxial system of the sphere is in the form of s plus u is equal to s plus lambda u is equal to 0, where lambda is the parameter. Find the values of lambda. Otherwise, now you see first dot sphere. Dot circle is there in two dimension. What is the meaning of dot circle? Dot circle means having center but radius is 0 is called dot circle. Like the three dimension, a sphere coaxial system, sphere having center and radius is 0 of that sphere is called dot sphere. In coaxial system, every sphere having center and radius, but radius is 0, that is called dot sphere. Center is common, that is minus u minus v minus w. For example, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. So what is center of that sphere? That is 0 0 0, and radius also equal to 0. So a sphere coaxial system having center but radius is 0, that sphere is called dot sphere. This dot sphere is very useful to find the limiting points in the coaxial system of the sphere. So let limit what is the limiting points? What are the limiting points means? Suppose S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is equal to 0 are two spheres given that of coaxial system, then the center of dot sphere is called limiting points. If two spheres are given, that is S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is equal to 0, are two spheres of coaxial system, then the center S1 is equal to 0, S2 is equal to 0 are two spheres means we find the tangent plane, radical plane that is S1 minus S2 is equal to 0, and S1 plus lambda S2 is lambda S1 minus S2 is equal to 0 means we got one plane equation, that is S plus lambda u is equal to 0 is in that form. Next, in S plus lambda u is equal to 0, just we write the center and radius. Center and radius means what is center? That is minus u minus v minus w, that is center. And what is radius? Under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d is the radius of the sphere. If you take center, radius as is equal to 0, radius is treated as 0, then we get the value of lambda, and lambda is the value of lambda substituting in the center, then we get the limiting points. How to find the limiting points? Just give an here explanation. How to find the limiting points means limiting points of the sphere S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is equal to 0 are two spheres. Then first of all we see that two spheres are in same general form or not. Same general form means having x square, y square, z square coefficients are 1 1 1 and centers x terms, y terms, x y y z z zx terms are constant, and that must be a second degree equation. Like that two spheres are given, that is S1 is equal to 0, another one is S2 is equal to 0. If S1 is equal to 0, S2 is equal to 0 are two spheres, then we first to find radical plane, that is S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. S1 that is u is equal to 0. We got it one plane equation that is in the form of u is equal to 0. There is x term, y term and z term is there. Then coaxial system of sphere is s plus lambda u is equal to 0. And the coaxial system of sphere means s plus lambda u is equal to 0. Write center and radius of the sphere. Take center and radius of this is 0 and find the values of lambda. How to find the values of lambda? If you substitute in radius, that is under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d is equal to 0. When we simplify, the value of lambda we get. How many values are there? Because that is second degree equation, that is under root. If you squaring that side, we get the values of lambda as two values we get. At the two values, substitute in the center of s plus lambda u is equal to 0. We got 2 points. The 2 points are called limiting points of the sphere. That spheres like this, because the common radical plane is same to all these spheres. This spheres is called in coaxial system of the sphere. Actually, coaxial system is the same radical planes are situated in that situation that is called coaxial system. Okay, in that point, in this version limiting points, we take some examples. See, find the limiting points of the coaxial system defined by the spheres x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus z square minus 6y minus 6z plus 6 is equal to 0. Two spheres are given. Find the limiting points of that two spheres. First of all, we find the what we want to find here. Limiting points means that must be in the form of s plus lambda u is equal to 0. U is the radical plane of the given sphere. The equation of the plane of the circle through the two given sphere is, that is 3x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 0. X plus y plus 2z is equal to 0. After simplification, means if you subtract one sphere from another sphere, that is s1 minus s2, then the equation of the coaxial system determined by the given sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 6 plus lambda of x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0, because this is in the form of sphere equation passing through the circle. Circle means there is intersecting of plane and the sphere. So that is in the form that we get s plus lambda l is equal to 0. Okay. x square plus y square plus z square plus 3 plus lambda 3 plus lambda of x plus y of minus 3 plus lambda plus 2 lambda z plus 6 is equal to 0. Lambda being a parameter, because here we want to find the value of lambda. Lambda being a parameter of the center of 1, that is minus of 3 plus lambda by 2, 3 minus lambda by 2 and minus lambda. Why? Because this is minus u minus v and minus w form. Minus u minus v and minus w. According to that, radius, how it is minus u, that is the coefficient of half x, that is 3 plus lambda by 2, because there is minus u. So minus of 3 plus lambda by 2. Another one is 3 minus lambda by 2, that is minus u minus v, and and minus lambda. So, and radius is what? Under root of u square, that is 3 plus lambda by 2 whole square plus lambda minus 3 by 2 whole square plus lambda square minus 6. Under root of 9 plus lambda square plus 6 lambda plus lambda square plus 9 minus 6 lambda and plus 4 lambda square minus 24 by 4, because 4 is the LCM here. If you simplify it, under root of 6 lambda square means 4 lambda square plus lambda square plus lambda square, that is 6 lambda square. The minus 6 lambda plus 6 lambda is cancelled, and 6 under root of 6 lambda square minus 6 by 4, that is for limiting points. We know for the limiting points equation of this radius to 0, because how to find the limiting points? Limiting points means the dot spheres center is called limiting point. Dot sphere means that is having center and radius is 0. So the same sphere, you take center and radius, and just here simplify the radius, that you take as a 0, means under root of 6 lambda square minus 6 by 4 is equal to 0, means 6 lambda square minus 6 minus 4 by 4 is equal to 0. So 6 lambda square is equal to 6. From this, lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. 6 lambda square is equal to 6 and lambda is equal to plus or minus 1, means the required limiting points are, just to substitute lambda is equal to plus 1, minus of 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2 and minus 1, that is minus 2, 1 and minus 1. Another limiting point is lambda is equal to minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 by 2 and 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, 2, 1. So minus 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 1, 2, 1 is the limiting points of the sphere. You see here, for this question, many type of questions are they ask to choice is there, because suppose they will give one limiting point, that is minus 2, 1, minus 1 is one limiting point. Another another sphere is some x square plus y square plus z square minus 6y minus 6z plus 6 is equal to 0, like that, any sphere. From this limiting point, can we find the sphere equation? From this limiting point, that is minus 2, 1, minus 1, can we find the limiting point of the sphere? So limiting point of the sphere is, limiting point is given when we find the sphere is, just you take limiting point as a center and radius as a 0. So radius as a 0 means minus 2 1 minus 1 means sub x minus x plus 2 whole square y minus 1 whole square plus z minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 you take, because radius is 0, and lambda is equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 2 1. If you substitute these values, we get the equation of the spheres also. One limiting point given and one sphere is given. Find the another limiting point means just you find one sphere is there, and you find the another sphere from limiting point and subtract the two spheres. You got plane equation, and then s plus lambda is equal to 0 you take. S plus lambda is equal to 0 means from the s plus lambda is equal to 0 you write center and radius. Center is take as a 0, center radius take as a 0. You get the values of lambda is equal to two values. In that two values, if you substitute the two values in the center, you got one is given limiting point and one is our required limiting point. So this is the way how to find the limiting points from this. Okay, when the two spheres is given, this is the process to find the limiting points. You see another any process is there. Directly here give that find the limiting points of the sphere. Find the limiting points of the spheres x square plus y square plus z square minus 20x plus 30y minus 40z plus 29 plus lambda of 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0. Here directly they give the in form of s plus lambda l is equal to 0. So given sphere is in the coaxial system of sphere, that is s plus lambda l is equal to 0. We know that. Just you write the center of the sphere. What is the center? That is minus 10 minus lambda and minus 15 plus 3 lambda by 2 and 20 minus 2 lambda. So this is the center. And what is the radius? That is under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. If you take this one, lambda minus 10 whole square is lambda square plus 100 a minus b whole square minus 20 lambda. Another one is 9 lambda square by 4 plus 225 plus 225 minus 45 lambda. It is minus 45. Minus 3 lambda by 2 is there. That's why there is minus 45 lambda plus 20 a by 45. 20 minus 2 lambda whole square means 400. 220 square means 400 plus 4 lambda square minus 80 lambda and minus 29. You take simplification. If you take simplification of this one, that is finally 29 lambda square minus 58 lambda plus 2784 is equal to 0. If you divide it by 29 through the equation, we got lambda square minus 20 lambda plus 96 is equal to, why we take is equal to 0 here? Because for the limiting points radius is 0. Radius is 0 means lambda square minus 20 lambda plus 96 is equal to 0, and lambda square minus 12 lambda minus 8 lambda plus 96 is equal to 0. So lambda of lambda minus 12 minus 8 of lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. Lambda minus 8 and lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore lambda is equal to 12. Limiting points are, if we substitute lambda is equal to 8 and lambda is equal to 12 in the given equations, that is lambda is equal to 8 means just to substitute the value in this equation, 10 minus 8 and minus 15 plus 3 lambda by 2. In that equation we substitute lambda is 8, then we got 2 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, and another one is 10 minus 12 minus 15, 10 minus 12 comma minus 15 plus 3 into 12 by 2, 20 minus 2 into 12 by 12, like that, that is 2 minus 2, 3 and 4. Like this, these two types are to find the limiting points. If suppose sometimes they give limiting points and find the equation of the sphere, then also we got the same process. It's okay. This is last but one class for spheres.